This is the new Volkswagen Amarok. It shares a platform with the Ford Ranger. I'll give you a quick walk around here. So this one here is the top spec. It's called the Adventurer. So this one has a V6 diesel. It also has matrix LED headlights in there. You also have 21-inch alloy wheels. You can get all-terrains as well if you want. I like this on the back. You've got a compass that points north there, just in case you forget. LED tail lights at the rear as well. And then have a look at this to open the tray. Basically, the tray cover, you double click that and then that cracks open there as well. Amarok embedded on the back there. And then in the back here you have power outlet there, a button to close that tray lid, or again you can just double tap that and that closes. Show you what the back of that looks like. So this is going to launch with a mix of 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder diesel and also a 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol. The inside is a little different too, so it isn't a direct sort of copy of the Ranger, which is good. So this actually gets that full screen at the back there, which you can only get on Raptor and other Everest models. Steering wheel unique to Volkswagen as well, so buttons there instead of the annoying haptic touch stuff you find on some Volkswagens. Infotainment software is different too, so those buttons and the layout here of the gear stick. Seats look nice and comfy. And then in the back, I quite like this. So Ford doesn't have this anymore, which is a power outlet just here, but you do in the new Amarok, so that is definitely a handy feature. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions about the new Volkswagen Amarok. I'll answer whatever I can. Let me know what you think of the design as well. Do you think it looks different enough to the Ford Ranger?